Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover Authenticator app without phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Have you ever accidentally deleted the Microsoft Authenticator app from your phone and then realized you're locked out of your account? It's a stressful situation, especially if two-step verification is enabled. One quick tip before you start. Do this on your PC, not your phone, because the desktop recovery process is much simpler. Start by opening a web browser on your PC and going to account.microsoft.com. Once there, click Sign In. Enter your email or username and click Next. When prompted for your password, enter it. If the sign-in fails or password-less sign-in is enabled, click Forgot Password. Choose a different verification method, then select a method you still have access to, such as receiving a code on your registered phone number. If two-step verification is enabled, Microsoft will ask for a second verification step, usually your recovery email. Enter the recovery email, verify the code sent to it, and once confirmed, reset your password by creating a new strong password. After resetting your password, Microsoft will likely still ask for a code from the deleted Authenticator app. To bypass this, open an incognito or private window on your PC and go back to account.microsoft.com. Sign in using your new password. When the Authenticator prompt appears, click Show More Options or a similar link. Choose an alternate verification method, such as phone or recovery email, and complete the verification to fully access your account. Once you're logged in, it's very important to secure your account immediately to avoid future lockouts. Go to your account security settings and open Manage How I Sign In. Or Advanced Security Options. Remove Microsoft Authenticator or turn off two-step authentication from your sign-in methods, since that phone no longer has the app. Log out, then sign in again using your regular browser to confirm that your phone number or recovery email now works properly. To protect your account going forward, add multiple backup sign-in options. From the Security section, go to How I Manage Sign-In. Scroll down and add a PIN or passkey, which provides a modern and secure sign-in method. If none of the verification methods work and you no longer have access to your phone number or recovery email, go back to the sign-in page and click Forgot Password, then Show More Verification Methods, and select I don't have any of these. If you have a recovery code, enter it. If not, choose No, and complete the account recovery form to prove ownership. Microsoft will contact you through the email you provide, although this method may not always succeed if two-step verification is enabled. Following these steps gives you the best chance to recover your Microsoft account after deleting the Authenticator app and helps you set things up more securely for the future. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover Authenticator app without phone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.